Lot number 2437A. Here we have ourselves 2004 John Deere GX345 lawn and garden tractor. We're tearing this machine down into parts. If you need parts off this machine, give us a call, 218-844-4968. 20 horsepower, power steering, 48C deck. Seat's a little rough, deck's in good shape. I was just out mowing with it. The hood is brand new. Reason why we're tearing it down is the engine smokes. It's got 1,800 hours on it. .20 horse V-twin Kawasaki. I'll start it up here. The PTO switch is also very sticky. Forward. Reverse. Hydraulic lift, up and down, down, up, down, low. As you can see, the transmission on it's good, just that the engine smokes. Again, our phone number is 218-844-4968 if you want to buy parts off this machine. Mardo's Motorsports. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video.